Ako na ko, pre. Napunta ako sa kanan, ah.
Jeff, he don't get stuck over here. He gets stuck on a small thing over there.
Abante ka lang. Hindi ko na dire-diretso, ah. Yung nakaraan dire-diretso smooth eh.
Nakakuha ka kasi sa gilid.
Napunta ako, tumama ako sa ayan, na bato. Sinasabi ko dapat dito ako sa kaliwa.
Okay naman yun kasi yung katawan.
Yeah.
Yung paa mo dito eh. Kaya gumang...
Ay, saan yan? Balance na. Gas. Hilahin na lang natin, pre. Oh, kakapaka ka sa akin, ah.
Ako sa gulong. Ako sa gulong. Para hindi mo matanong.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Dali, dali, ha. Okay. Wrong one.
No, that's it.
Hindi, dapat itong ano, may yan to sa unahan, ah. The second one's supposed to be the front one. Because I'm gonna stuck right there with the edge, yeah.
DPWH. Are there any rocks over there? No, you don't need to.
Right there.
Yeah, and then messed it all up.
Once you hit it,
Good job, man. Yeah, that was pretty good.
isa pa, pre.
All good, kita. It's okay. Good enough. Yep. Stay. Let's go. So we can go
Put your
another
helmet
one.
on.
Different one.
Huh? Yeah. It's
There,
on.
there. Yeah.
Once,
No, give it to June. Give it to June. Give it to June. He can
Nikita.
do- It's better over there.
Nikita,
And then we got this camera. We'll just.
if you think you cannot make it, just throw the bike and then just jump. Jump here, huh, on the side, not at the back.
Remember, when you're flipping backwards through the air, smile.
Yeah.
Dapat dito sa bumagsak, hindi dyan. Ha?
Pati ba yan? That's first.
Like that. Hang! Hang, hang, hang! Your heart is pumping? Yeah, me too.
That means you're alive. Yeah.
And then stand up. Leo. Watch and learn. You stand up, brother. Up! You almost. That's the good thing. Me, oi, Nikita, I have pampers.
If you just stand up on that one, that speed, it's good.
Yeah, it's already on the top.
That speed was good.
You didn't gas it, that's why you got stuck. Ayos, ayos kaya pre. Kasi ako talaga.
Ayaw ko nga, makamat.
Dito man ako pag sampa mo dito, oh. Nakakatakot pre. Make it like that, but control the gas. Hang, hang, hang. Control the gas once you hit this one.
Oh, got it all.
You're already in the top.
Yeah, you made it. If you just give it a little blip, you would have made it. Again.
Stand up. Up. Yeah, let go the bike. Like that. Let go, just let go the bike. So that you won't get hurt. Just gas it, gas. Because if you don't gas it, same.
I think you just need more speed too, though.
No, that's right. Well, Edmund, that's the rocks all up.
It's Edmund's fault.
No, I should have fixed them.
Huh?
I should have fixed them because last time when you didn't even move them, but this time you kind of kicked them loose. He doesn't care. He made it.
Yeah, you don't care anymore. Okay, fuck you guys.
Lego friend.
Last one.
Nikita, move your bike forward a little bit. Nakaharang sa tulad natin. Up, right there. Yeah. And then hing. And then once you hit this one, gas. Don't let go. Pre, saluhin mo pre ha. That's enough. Takot yung pre.
Screw you. I'm not coming back in here.
That was scary.
Oh man. Takot. I thought they're gonna flip too.
I was gonna follow right behind
Takot.
you.
Ang taas yan.
Madadala ako nun. Ang taas na yun.
Ganto taas ano?
Alam ko nga mabagsakan siya.
Oh man. You always go with your bike, you need to let go.
Oh, Kuya John, pahinga. Go put it on the side.
There you go. Got it all. Thanks, my friend. I can't do anymore. I have to go back.
Huh?
If you can do it, I'll really appreciate it.
Yeah,
No, no, just
let's pull it.
put the front here on the top.
Okay.
Then we'll just pull it.
I appreciate the recording. That was actually funny.
That would be funny,
I
bro.
feel bad, tried it a couple times.
I got a good reels later.
Oh my, these guys.
You gotta post it on YouTube on Reels.
Yeah, and shorts.
You're the beast, brother.
Hashtag, make sure you put a hashtag Carnegie.
I run up behind him that time. 'Cause I
Oh,
thought,
no.
man, that bike shot up. I turned around and ran
No, the
back.
thing, he flipped it again. And it was so high.
Yeah,
And then it kind of hooked up there.
yeah, yeah.
Which one? No, he just kicked the thing.
Uy! Ano yun, patag yan. Patag pa yan.
May suntukan doon ah. Put it in neutral. Maybe it's just the tire. You just need to kick it.
Let me put your phone back in the back there.
See, when you're young, you don't get scared.
I know.
Let's see, how can I turn around?
Here. Start.
Ikaw na bahala dito.
Oh, sasabihin ko na lang.